Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic came now about one lady when a guy give money, say, make it a help am. They save am. The guy dey Europe, so the girl dey Nigeria. So una know say all those girls for Nigeria, na only to dey eat money, na im dem know. They no know another thing to do o. They no know another thing to do. Their own na to just dey chop money. Na only that one na dem know. Una understand? So this girl, im boyfriend dey Europe, dey send money come dey give am better money, make dey keep. Be like say God just bless the guy, so the guy come begin dey say, my woman, abeg, help me dey save this money for Naija, so that use am take dey build house for me, so that if I still come, at least house go dey. The girl come say no problem o, say she dey do everything, so the guy come dey happy. No be time come reach now, na the girl now come go friend another boy. She come carry the money now take go dey friend another boy. After e don frustrate the guy come dey problem. The guy come dey inside prison. So this girl now come carry the money go dey use am take dey shine with another guy. So this e boyfriend now, after he come out for prison, he call this girl, call. The girl no gree pick the call again. He call, the girl no gree pick again. I was like, why some girls, why their life be like this? Why some girls be like this? Why? How you go just, your boyfriend, una know the suffer wey dey Europe, una know the suffer wey be say our boys dey suffer for Europe, even our girls. Una know the way suffer dey this Europe. Una know the way Europe be, wey be say they go dey send money come give una, say take do something, una go dey shop am. You wey dey shop this thing, so you this girl, if you come this Europe here, you go fit work. How you go just frustrate a guy like that? If they frustrate your own brother like that, how you go feel? You go like am? You go like am? Wey be say you come just frustrate the guy like that? The guy now don dey frustrated, my darling people. So the boy now dey cry. Before the boy come cry out, e no good. E no good make our girls dey do all those things. He chop the guy finish. She now come go dey friend another boy. She come go dey friend another boy after he don gug this guy. Una dey see life, my darling people. Una dey see life. Una dey see life. People dey this world o. People dey this world. People dey this world. E no good. E no good at all. If you no wan friend the boy again, you forgive am the things. How the boy go dey send money come give you, say dey do something for me, you say okay, you dey do am. At the end, you should not know, say you just dey shop the guy, then you get another guy wey to often dey shop stuff, dey do the guy yahoo. E no good. Our girls, na im make una go get better person now. Una go use una hand through am. That one now come go be tomorrow, now you go come dey cry, but you forget the one wey you don fit do person before. My people, more than now, una take contribute for this thing, o, because this girl now, like you wey dey watch me now, wetin you think about this video? Wetin you think about this lady? Wetin you do this guy? Wetin this guy go do this girl now? Because money wey we dey talk, so not be small money, o. Not be small money, wey this girl just chop, so not be small money. Some girls, their own dey their body, o. Their own dey their body. How can the guy go just dey give you money, say take do something for me? You just dey shop am. You just dey keep am for your own pocket. E no good. E no good. E no good. After you, because the guy dey problem now, this girl leave am. He leave am for that problem, so that before you come out, he go don move on with his life. You just dey enjoy yourself dey go. E no good. You no risk wey people dey take for Europe, say they find this money. You no risk. So if you don dey sleep in the night because of hustle, after all those stuff are finished, you now go just chop the money just like that. you frustrate her, you can't go carry another man. Na so the life can't be. They say this life no balance, so my darling people, the life no balance. E no balance. The life no balance at all. What is some of our girls they do, eh? Now it make you say our guys for Europe here will be say, they always tell our guys, look for a woman for Europe. Because again, when you don't already live for Africa, no expect say that girl go just see the way for you. And they always tell una this thing. A guy wey don already dey Africa, a guy wey don already dey Africa, then you dey here. You know that relationship not dey easy, eh? It take by the grace of God before you go even see say the girl go wait for you. I dey always tell our guys, if you get girlfriend for here, it's better you just dey follow the one wey dey here, because that one wey you don live for Africa so, she don change. E no be the way that friendship, the way e be for 12 at that time, e no be like that again. She don move on. She don begin dey jogodo different men. This na all girls go fit wait without dem not jogodo. No be all girls o. No be all girls dey fit wait. I dey always tell una. No be all girls. Some girls, you fit leave them. And I know the one wey be say e stay for even 10 years. E stay, no jogodo another man. You understand? But the guy still come marry am. But some no go wait. Some no go fit stay like that. You understand? Some no go fit stay like that. So you wey don dey friend girl for Naija, you say na your girlfriend wey you first date, you can't leave her for Naija, then you dey here. My dear, it take by the grace of God. I don't lie you, eh? It take by the grace of God before you see say she go even wait for you. E dey hard. E dey very, very hard before you see the one wey go wait for you. We go really say, okay, na my man, make I wait. No. But this one I be not abandon the girl, they give her money. Take they do something for me. She shop the money. She shop everything, then she can't go to follow another man. It's not good. It's not good, really. What our girls they do, it's not good. It's not good at all, my darling people. So this one, it shocked me. Now say, I can't tell my people more than still listening to this topic. So anything you wanna think about this video, more than leave on a comment for the comment section, because sometimes what did they happen these days? They shocktalize me. The thing they read, they shocktalize me, really, you know. So my darling people, anything you think about the video, you can leave a comment for the comment section, and always put thumbs up on my video anytime you watch my video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.